Hello, YouTube land, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Mamma Mia. Today is February 9th, 2022. Boy, I tell you, the time just seems like it's flying by, isn't it? It's already almost mid February, ladies and gents, and today's topic is it too late for Bitcoin? Is it too late for crypto? Well, stay tuned, find out. But before I get to it, please remember I'm not your financial advisor, far from it. I am just a crypto mama mia sharing my thoughts, and those are just thoughts with you on things, basically. So go do your own research as always, and please, for the love of all that's good, watch the latest and greatest, get the latest info on anything that you're trying to get into, trying to buy, sell, etc., etc. Whether it's crypto, whether it's stock, whether it's gold and silver, just go watch what's the latest information. I mean, you owe it to yourself, don't you? In this crazy, crazy world, don't take anybody's word for it except your own word. Yes, your brain is still working, critical thinking, still a thing. So here we go. What am I talking about today, ladies and gents? Bitcoin, crypto. Is it too late? Have you missed the boat? No, no, you have not, ladies and gents. There's many ways to make some nice crypto, some nice fiat, USD, euro, wherever you live. It's not too late, ladies and gents. You know why? You know why it's not too late? I'll show you. I like I like coin stats. But it's not too late because like even if you just watched a video of mine from last week when it was about in the 30s, right? 30K, the price of Bitcoin. You'd have been like, oh, maybe I'll buy a little bit of Bitcoin. And here's the kicker, ladies and gents. People think you have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You do not. I mean, if you can, sure, but why not just buy fractions? You can always start with fractions of a Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go to the 1 week chart here. And look, Bitcoin is up 0.67% just in the last 24 hours. Can you believe that? I mean, look at this. Last week, the high and the lows were in its 30s, 30,000, like 37,000 here. And today, ladies and gents, 43,000. It went up in 1 week, 7,000. I mean, regardless, it goes up and down, but see, in January, it was up to 42,000. Then last week, it went all the way down to 37,000. And now it is back up to 43,000. This is why I love crypto, ladies and gents. Don't think it's too late. Never think it's too late. If you know what you're doing, you will always be able to profit somehow, some way. I myself do leverage trading. I know people who do programs. I used to do programs. If you watch some of my older shows, episodes, whatever you want to call them, I did like a lot of those, things like, dare I say it? I don't even know. You can go watch my videos. But yeah, I did a lot of programs where you could earn crypto and that kind of stuff. But now I'm just mostly trading and holding and taking profits when I see, you know, uh, price pumps because it is buy low, sell high, right? That's the mantra. Or just trade. Leverage trade is cool too. So yeah, it's not too late, ladies and gents. And there's like news. Oh, look, Coin Tracker. That's what I use, by the way, to track my crypto for taxes, for tax purposes. And I may do a video on that one, just so because tax season is coming up. But look, crypto analyst predicts bull run for BTC market, and of course, you take this kind of news with a grain of salt because anything and everything happens. Like any other market, it is manipulated. But it, Rec Capital is expressing that Bitcoin will have strong resistance support, which, I'm not into the whole jargon, but I'm guessing it means it's gonna pump again. Bull run, that means it's gonna pump, pump, pump. But again, you take this kind of news with a grain of salt, and you take short-term profits through trading, through selling high when you bought at 37K and you sell at 43K. And again, you don't have to buy whole Bitcoins. You can buy a fraction. What do you call this? Apps like Cash App and Coinbase, they let you buy small amounts. Like I think on Cash App, the smallest amount you can buy is like $1 worth of Bitcoin. If you're just starting out and you want to get your feet wet in the whole crypto market, that's the best way to do it. But there's of course there's other crypto you can get into as well. Look at this XRP up 45%. Crazy. BNB, Tether. I mean, Tether is basically the dollar crypto. Like it's tethered to the dollar, so this will never go higher than $1, lower than like 90 something cents. Cardano, Solana. I mean, look at this, ladies and gents. Where else can you find these kinds of gains? It's kind of hard to find in the stock market. Look at Shiba Inu. Holy smokes. 61%. Yeah, so is it too late for crypto? I don't think so. I will never think so though, because I always, even when it was down to like 3K or up to like 60K, was it too late? If you bought at 60K, sure, you're a little down, but you know what? Just hold on to it because people were freaking out. And you can go check charts, but there was a time when Bitcoin went all the way up to 20K and then went all the way down to 3K, and people freaked the hell out. But they shouldn't have, because today Bitcoin is at 43K. So I mean, if you can stomach the lows, then you should definitely reap the rewards of the highs, right? So just keep that in mind, right, ladies and gents? So that way, you'll tell yourself you're never too late for crypto. But that's today's video, ladies and gents. I hope that you found it entertaining and informative as always. And remember, I am trying to get to that next milestone of 3,000 subs. If you are the 3,000 sub, you may get a special something from me. I won't tell you what it is. I'll keep it a surprise because I want to see who's really here to support the Crypto Mama Mia channel and who's here just for the prizes. And if you have watched any of my previous videos, ladies and gents, I do like to give prizes. I do love to support my Crypto Mama Mia community. So show me some love back. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Leave me a comment. I do try to get to them as soon as I see them, but I don't always get to them. Oh my God, look at this. Meta pay. Sorry, I just saw this. 1,000%. Oh, Doge Colony. What the heck? Ladies and gents, there's coins on here that I don't even know. So would I touch it? No. Nah, because I don't know anything about it. MetaPay though. I don't know if that's a way to pay on the metaverse. I may look into this one. But anyways, if you have any suggestions on me to look into things, I just look into things. I don't, people have approached me for certain projects, but unless I really like the project and I put my own money into it, I'm not gonna talk about it. But anyways, yes, hit that like, hit that subscribe, you know, be my 3,000 subscriber, see what happens. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are. Please stay safe, please stay healthy, please stay sane, and I will see you at the next video. Adios.